January 12th, 2019. I actually used this. It's a leaf blower slash picker upper that grinds them up with the cellulose insulation. And what I did was, I actually, it's that middle tube there. I actually try to blow it in. It just gets everywhere because I don't have the fabric. But the reason I had to do that is I made a mistake. So yes, I make mistakes. And up here, you can see where it's piled up there. I had to insulate that because I forgot to put the insulation up before I put this ceiling up. So anyway, that required me to insulate that as it sits without having to pull that back down. So that's how I did it. As you can see, little bits of it get everywhere. So anyway, and then the mirrors that were transferred. Lizzie had me make those frames. So, and then as you can see, I have the valve, the place where the shower head will go. It'll actually come through the wall board above it and spray down on you. And so to make that magic happen, of course I got picks. And then here is a reinforcement. And of course these screws come from the other side. And so, you know, there's a sized hole just big enough for the fixture, and then two smaller holes for those screws to run through. And then this bracket actually just sits up against this board. That's why there's that mark there, so that you can't push from the inside. And anyway, it's pretty stable. So, and then of course that goes up through there. I'd put a little bend in it there to make that transition. So anyway, then of course, you know, behind this board is insulated because that's an exterior wall. And before I finish up in here, I'm gonna put some insulation around the bottom too. And then I had to put in that for the fixture, for the light fixture above the tub. I'm still doing some wiring here. So I've got a little bit more wiring to do before I can panel in this area in here and finish that. And then I also have to put a blower fan up in here and a switch for that, which I think I'm going to put over here. So that is where we're at today. Plug for Grigo, signing off.